hope I caught you doing exceptionally well. It's a beautiful day out, at least for me right now. I hope it's just a beautiful night for you. Just as beautiful. As you. You know, even as nature flies me by, I still think presently about all the things it has to offer. From a soft winter breeze to a warm, sunny day. Sometimes it's really nice to just sit and admire everything. Even the things that have yet to bloom look stunning. Absolutely stunning. Even in poor lighting, everything looks beautiful. You're no exception, you know that. I've been told several times that nature guides you. It guides you where you need to be. I'm proud to know that nature has a hand in my path. It's a beautiful world we live in. Even if sometimes there can be distractions. Sometimes those distractions are loud and invasive. But once you really figure out how to get rid of them, how to focus on the important things and clear your mind of these toxicities, you're yet again surrounded by Mother Nature and all her beauty. All of it. And when you sit and admire the leaves rustling, admire the sound of the birds, that obscure feeling of freedom, true freedom, not locked behind a paywall or something far beyond your reach, but freedom. The same freedom that you can breathe. The same freedom you can feel that you can smell, that you can hear. It's all so beautiful, inspirational, full. Oh, to sit with nature for the rest of my life. I'd be a happy man. I'd be complete. I'd be certain of myself. But until then, I'm here with you. And that's good enough. You're good enough. Well, you're better than good enough, really. I think you're amazing. But I'm biased, I think. Who am I to tell you anything when I seek you so highly, higher than myself? But after all, you're still my archangel. I think you're beautiful for that. As always, I think you should take time for yourself. Make sure you're feeling the best you can. And if you aren't, maybe take a step into nature. Sure, pollen count may be high right now. There may be a lot of bugs. But nature is nature. Experience freedom. Be content with yourself. Let the rain wash away your guilt. Feel the water on your hands when you're down by the river. Feel that almost warming calmness from an untouched land of snow. Feel yourself sink into the right moment. Thank you very much for watching, for listening to my ramblings. I'm sure you might have picked something up from it. As always, be sure to drink plenty of water liquids in general. Eat at least 2 meals a day. And get plenty of rest. I'll see you soon. Good night.